You've got the shops, the schools, the ferry wharf and the bus stop all within footsteps to today's property. Couple that with low levies and a top floor position. I'm Ania Aquino. Welcome home. With an entry conveniently on Hill Road, yet positioned internally within the Quarterdecks complex, is this top floor, low maintenance apartment. Enjoying an abundance of eastern light, it features a skylight in the living and with all rooms looking over the central gardens. Developed by Bill Berger and managed by Structure Building Management, the complex has always maintained low levies. With gas cooking and stainless steel appliances, it's also well equipped with a full-size kitchen. The bedroom zones are on separate walls and the bathrooms are well positioned should you decide to turn this into an investment in the future. Downstairs, everything is literally at your doorstep, almost eliminating the need for a car. And the millennial parklands are also just around the corner. Wentworth Point continues to develop into a popular destination for young couples, downsizers, or those simply wanting the lock up and leave lifestyle. We'll see you at the next inspection.